Hey, I wanted to show you how to graph linear functions, linear equations, because there's some delta math assignments where you have to do that. So let me jump into it. So what you have here is you have the linear equation y equals 4x minus 1. And you should know that that's in the slope-intercept form, which means that the slope is 4, the m is 4, and the y-intercept, the b, is a negative 1. Now, this is how I like to think about it. I like to think the B stands for begin. So that's telling us where we should begin. And then the M is telling us how much we should move. So let me show you what I mean. So in this example, the y-intercept is a negative 1. So we begin at a negative 1. So I'm just going to put a point at a negative 1. And now I'm going to move. And this is how I'm going to move. I'm going to move 4 over 1. So I'm going to rise 4, I'm going to go up 4, and then I'm going to run 1. So let me show you. So I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's my rise. And then I'm going to run 1. That's my run. Once I've done that, I can put my second point right here, and then I just draw a line through those 2 points, put my arrows on them, and that's how you graph it. Let's do one more. Okay, in this example, we have the linear equation y equals 2/5 x minus 2, and the slope is 2/5, and the y-intercept is a negative 2. So we're going to begin at a negative 2, and then we're going to move 2/5. So let's do that. So we begin at a negative 2. So I'm going to start by putting my first point at a negative 2. I'm always on the y-axis. And then I'm going to move 2/5. So that means I'm going to rise 2 and I'm going to run 5. So let's do that. So 1, 2. That's my rise. And then I'm going to run 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my run. And now I can put my second point here. And once I've done that, I draw my line. And there we have it. That's how you graph. Use this. The B stands for begin. The M stands for how much you move. All right, guys, I hope this helps.